Click on the link below to get price. The Ergotron WorkFit-TL standing desk converter is a stellar solution for those looking to enhance their workspace ergonomics without committing to a full desk replacement. This unit stands out with its solid construction and thoughtful design, making it an ideal choice for a dual monitor setup. Upon unboxing, the first thing that strikes you is the sturdiest build quality. The WorkFit-TL is assembled in the USA, which adds an element of trust in its craftsmanship. The converter features a spacious work surface that accommodates dual monitors comfortably, with enough room to spare for a laptop or various office supplies. The surface is finished in a sleek black that blends seamlessly with most office decors. One of the standout features of this desk converter is its smooth height adjustment mechanism. With a simple squeeze of the hand lever, users can easily transition from sitting to standing in seconds. The height range is ample, allowing people of varying heights to find their perfect position, promoting better posture and reducing the strain associated with prolonged sitting. The inclusion of a keyboard tray is a well-thought-out addition. It not only frees up desk space but also encourages a more ergonomic typing position while standing. The tray is large enough to accommodate both a keyboard and a mouse, making it versatile for different setups. However, it's worth noting that the WorkFit-TL can be slightly bulky for smaller desks. Users with limited space might need to consider the measurements before committing. Additionally, while the converter is relatively easy to assemble, it would benefit from clearer instructions for those who may not be as handy. Overall, the Ergotron WorkFit-TL standing desk converter is a robust option for anyone seeking to diversify their work habits. It combines functionality with ergonomic benefits, making it a worthwhile investment for enhancing productivity and comfort in any workspace. Whether for home office or corporate environments, this standing desk converter does not disappoint.